The Clark CSE 400A submersible water pump is ideal for a wide range of clean water pumping applications. This robust, powerful water pump is ideal for rapidly pumping clean water to a height of up to 8 meters. Manufactured with an integral handle for easy transportation, it is ideal for use as a water butt pump, allowing you to use collected water for irrigation and much more. Manufactured from tough, durable, corrosion-proof materials, the CSE 400A has a reliable 400-watt, 230-volt motor for cost-effective, long-term use. The motor also features overload protection. It has a 1¼ diameter outlet with a 3-step reducer to permit the fitment of a wide range of hose sizes, including garden hose. A selection of lay-flat and reinforced hose along with hose clips are available from your local Clark stockist. The CSE 400A is fitted with a float switch for automatic water level control, automatically switching the pump on when the water is above a predetermined level and turning it off when the water level is lowered. The 10-meter-long mains cable makes it easy to keep electrical connections well away from the water that you're pumping. So if you need to drain clean floodwater, transfer water, empty a swimming pool, drain containers, or take clean water from wells and shafts, then the CSE 400A is the pump for you. With a maximum flow rate of 115 liters per minute and a maximum pumping height of 8 meters, the CSE 400A will address all your pumping needs for many years to come.